This is a package unit. It's a package unit because the condenser, coil, fan, and the compressor are on this side of the unit. And then on the other side is the coil and the blower, which blows across the cold coil and into the building. All right, so this is what I recorded earlier, but didn't record. I thought I was recording. This is your, if you ever want to start checking your system for the basic stuff, this is a breaker that happened to be out here on this disconnect. You can see it's in the middle. You can see the breaker is in the middle, the breaker bar. Okay, it's in the middle. It's not far left or right to complete on or off. So we know that's an issue. That's why there's no power. And that's one thing you can do at home. You can just check your panel at home, see if the breaker has been tripped for whatever reason if you don't have any power. Unless your thermostat has batteries, and the power goes out. If it does have batteries, the power is still going to stay on, obviously, if you have batteries. But if you don't, it's going to go completely out. Your thermostat is going to go blank. So here is the contactor. And this is the capacitor up here in this corner. Can't see it because with this style, it's flush up against there, but there's a cylinder, the cylinder piece of that behind it, and it's just screwed up there, holding it in place. But that's usually that is an issue. If your system is, if either the compressor or the fan is not moving outside at the condenser, then most likely that's the culprit. Easy to check as well. So I advise you to look online how to check a capacitor. I am not taking that one off because it's a pain, but I'd advise to check that. So pretty much know what's going on with this one. These units are going to be replaced. This one and that one right there behind that. The ducts right there is a side shot. But that package unit is being replaced as well as this one. So this one is also a side shot. Let's see. Duct system comes off of the side of that unit. Makeup air right there, and then also this one. So it's hot, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.